It's only when you have a perfect balance between the market and the other aspects of your life, it's only and only then you'll be able to trade more profitably. Because then you'll be in your peak performance state. And that is one of the key elements to be consistently profitable in the market. Confused? Let me explain. When the pandemic hit us, we all stood together and fought it back. Corona did not steal us from our life's presence. Despite all the agony, Corona could not steal the spirit of being alive. Countries forwarded helping hand to neighbors. They forwarded helping hand to distant nations, regardless of their social economic status or political position in this world. Everyone was fighting one disease. In spite of many lives lost, we still didn't forget to connect with each other. There were no enemies, no allies. We all were one human being, fighting an unknown force for the first time. We won the war. People felt connected to each other and they celebrated. Now this event just doesn't tell us how we fought the disease back, but it also gives us a vital lesson for those who are in the market. So what can you derive from this? How can we make the best use of it to thrive successfully in this market? We'll simplify this here, but before I do, I request you to hit this like button and subscribe this channel right away so this video can reach a lot of people. This story should remind us that it's not just about our hectic lives. It's not just about running to earn something to provide for our family. It's also vital to seek out psychological balance. It is essential that you connect with people and make a personal bond with each other. Now, being in the market may be very important, but that isn't the only thing. It's just one of the many things that you do in your life. Being in the market and to be successful is not easy. This is a demanding profession. It requires overcoming many setbacks and focusing all of your energy in staying on top of the game. But what's important to understand is a single-minded focus on success in the long term will bring you failure. It's all about bringing yourself up to a peak performance trading state. Because those people who remain in the peak performance state for a very long period of time are those who make the most profits from the market. And to do that, you need to seek psychological balance. Your life will have different aspects or different areas to concentrate on. And definitely it's just not the market and the profits. You should enjoy and have fun outside the areas of the market. You should completely go off-focused and not bothered about what's happening in the market on that day, on that particular day. You should enjoy time fulfilling your relationships and enjoy life to the fullest. All day business, all day profits, loss, trading, charts, dreaming about charts will drive you crazy. It will make you inhuman. Now this especially happens with people who are obsessed with the market. Doesn't happen with everybody, but for those who are very much obsessed with the market, 24 hours they talk about the market, they think about the market. This is a problem with them. They should appreciate that the market has given you the opportunity for you to be in it, to be in the market and to work on the market and earn profits from it. Just appreciate that and work on it. Work on it, work on the market and learn what the market has to offer you. That's it. The market offers freedom to spend time with your family, then go ahead, spend time with your family. Celebrate what life has offered you. Focusing too much on the market will actually deprive you of the other joys of life. So the market ends at 3:30. That's it. Put an end to your thinking about the market then and there. Enjoy the remaining half of your life, the remaining half of the day with your family, friends, and enjoy your life. Yeah, at times you might have to indulge yourself to bring out new strategy, change your strategy, formulate new things. Yeah, that's fine. Once, twice, once a week is okay. Twice a week is still okay. But not every day. And if you can do this, then you'll be able to sustain and have a very healthy mindset. And with that healthy mindset, with that free mindset, you'll be able to work in the market more profitably and more consistently. It's only when you have a perfect balance between the market and the other aspects of your life, it's only and only then you'll be able to have good focus when you're in the market and trade more profitably. Because then you'll be in your peak performance state. And that is one of the key elements to be consistently profitable in the market. There are some more which I've listed here in this playlist. So please go ahead and check this out right now. As of this video, adios.